It turns out Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin did get married last month when they were spotted at a New York courthouse. They said "I do" without a prenup. Now a postnup may be in the works. To sort it all out, it's time for La Vegas Now. All right, please welcome Adriana White of Eric Palacios and Associates. Thank you so much for joining us. So prenuptial, postnuptial, is there any really big difference between the two?
Well, the big difference is prenup happens before the marriage, and postnup is after or once the couple has been married.
Gotcha. And that can happen anytime. Like, hey, 10 years down the road, you can be like, you know what? Okay.
Exactly.
And when does it go into effect?
If you do a prenup, it's effective upon your marriage.
As soon as you say "I do."
Yes.
Alrighty. Now, once you do it and you sign it and you get married, it's set in stone. I mean, there's really no getting out of it, right?
Correct. You do have to follow certain requirements according to Nevada law. You have to make a full disclosure of your assets and your finances, and it has to be fair.
Right.
You can make changes later on in the form of revoking it. In other words, the couple can say, sign a new document saying we're not going to follow the terms.
Gotcha.
But necessarily change them, no.
But you have to both be voluntarily saying that. Like, we're going to rip up the prenup, we're both voluntarily saying that.
Yes, that's correct.
Now, what if there's discrepancies? I know that a judge or a court, will be the one to decide to enforce it, but what if it's, you cheat on me and I get $5 million, but your finances change and you don't have $5 million? Like,
well, it's a contract like any other, so you could still sue the person for the $5 million, but now you would simply have a judgment or a piece of paper that says they owe you $5 million, and good luck collecting it if they don't have it. But it's still enforceable. Only a judge or the court of law can set it aside based on unconscionability. But if you signed it at the time and you had the $5 million and later on you don't, you're still on the hook.
Okay. And how long does it take to draft this up? Because I know that Justin and Hailey supposedly tried to get one, but it didn't happen fast enough.
Well, it depends on how much stuff they have.
Okay.
Justin Bieber is worth $85 million.
More than that, we heard.
So obviously it's going to take a while. The law is simply that the other person or the person waiving their right to stuff, in this case Hailey, would have had sufficient time to meet with an attorney and have time to contemplate exactly what it means.
All right. Thank you so much. If you need more information, legal advice, give Eric Palacios and Associates a call at 702-444-7777 or visit their website, ericpalacioslaw.com. Kendall.